Hey guys, as promised, this is lesson 103. We're going to talk about setting up the seat, getting in the car. Whenever you get in the car, you want to adjust your seat properly. If you're on the shorter side, you're going to have to move your seat up. If you're taller like I am, you're going to have to move your seat back. You have the brake pedal here where you put your foot, and then you have the gas pedal to the right. If this car was with the clutch, you would have a pedal here. So let's go ahead and get in. This is a key fob. This is what you're going to use to start the car. You put this in your pocket. You put your foot on the brake, put on your seat belt, and you want to make sure your car is properly set. You want to adjust your mirrors. You want to look straight ahead. You want to adjust the left mirror. You want to be able to see. You want to adjust the right mirror. You want to see everything to your right side. Okay, you've checked everything, your seatbelt is on, you're comfortable. You put your foot on the brake. D is for drive. R is for reverse, where the car will back up. You can see the backup camera flashing. We're in D. We're going to roll down the driveway. You're looking left, you're looking right. We're going to roll down very carefully. The brakes are very touchy, so you want to look left, you want to look right, signal your right. We're going out of a private driveway. Before we get started, let's go ahead and do a reverse park. I'm going to go ahead and communicate and wave the driver by. You always have to communicate and let drivers know what you're doing. You know, I'm going to go ahead and pull up, turn on my right turn signal, and pull right here. Now you want to let traffic go by. This is a teachable moment. You always want to look around. Then I'm going to go ahead and reverse. You can see the backup mirror. Now I'm going to go ahead and move forward. I want to do a reverse parallel park. So I want to line straight up with the vehicle. Then I'm going to reverse, looking over my right shoulder, coming back very easily, and I want to turn all the way to the right. I'm coming in at a 45 angle. Now I turn back all the way to the left at that 45, coming in really easy, very slow, and taking my time. Now I turn back hand over hand to the right, and I pull up. That is a great parallel park. Okay, let's go ahead and reverse out. Always look around, check your surroundings. You see me looking at the mailbox. You see me checking my backup camera with the mailbox. Turn signals on. I turn hand over hand to the left, going out really easily. Blinkers on, I turn back. Whenever you're driving in the neighborhood, you want to scan left, middle, right. You always want to be aware. Always want to look around. I always teach my students to take their time, scan, and be patient. There's a pedestrian, a gentleman working on this vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and up here and make a right turn. This is a T intersection, and I'm going to talk about steering for a moment. So I turn hand over hand in, I turn hand over hand out. Let's talk about steering for a moment. There's 9 and 3. You have your left hand at the 9 o'clock position, your right hand at the 3. There is an airbag. We don't want our thumbs blown up. You can also put them down 8 to 4. That's another position. You can also move them up 11 and 1. It varies. This is palming the wheel. You will lose control. This is hand to hand, and this is hand over hand. Okay, let's continue. We're scanning through the neighborhood. We're taking our time. We're looking around. We're being patient. I'm scanning. You always have to check your mirror. We had 3 pedestrians up there. So I'm just being aware, turning on my left turn signal. And I'm going to squeeze my brake and have a complete stop. There's my complete stop. That vehicle coming to my left has the right of way. So I'm going to wait. My blinker's on. I'm taking my time. Still don't know what they're doing. They don't have a blinker. They're going straight. They've cleared. I've turned hand over hand, and I turn out. I'm going to come up here and make a right turn. I stop before the stop sign. I I turn on my right turn signal again. The main route has the right of way. I'm gonna move forward. I've stopped. I'm gonna turn in the first lane.